Oh, what's up? So hey, what's up, guys? So I don't know. So like, subscribe and post notifications, please, and also, yeah. So it's awesome. Um, Couple announcements. Please don't follow my sister, Rissy Hat, on her YouTube. Uh, Post will be down low in my bio, and yeah, I'm working on a little project. I'll be out pretty soon. Uh, and I'm working on double nut fins for y'all. I don't know why, but usually in Canada we don't say y'all. Uh, but I like saying that. It's fun. Y'all. 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 I don't know. Let's see. The new Minions movie is coming out pretty soon, like 2 days or so. Um, yeah. Uh, so yeah. So on this year, your guys' favorite movie. It needs to be Disney or a horror film. If you guys can tell me what your guys' favorite horror or Disney films are, I will give you guys a $20 Apple gift card or whatever. So yeah. Um, Also, please, please tell me your name in the comments, because I'm going to start something that I'm going to post every name I get on the screen here. And once I do that, and I'm full names, I'll start it on another video. So if you guys want your name on the screen here, on every video, uh, please, subscribe, post notifications, and, comment your name. Yeah, and your name will be up here somewhere. If it's your birthday, I am gonna start doing birthday fins on videos. So yeah, please subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.